I got my execute. You see that? You see that? You see that? Okay. Red destroy that emoji. It's a devil one. He teleports. He have a whole army of emojis. I'm not going.
Let's go.
Wait. I don't want this. I don't want this triple force. And
You hear that?
these animals to die. I don't want any animal. Okay. I need it. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Go. Bye. There's a force. There's food right now. Okay, his layer.
Let's go.
What's wrong?
There they are. It's dark though.
Okay, you're gonna see me. We had killed him. Okay. Which one are going first? The hard one? This one is
The poop.
Oh, yeah. Take him out.
I will get it.
I don't need it. Yeah, I don't need it. Well, might like touch him up, okay? I just want to touch him up, okay? Ooh, you're doing oh yeah, banana. Okay. I hear my M16. Kill him. Wait, that was good. Yeah,
Kill this one.
Gotcha.
You must go save Woody.
Me?
No, you. Bullseye. Go save him. Kick. Woody.
What?
Here, get on the bullseye.
Okay.
Wait, they're going on their ship.
Okay. Bullseye. Oh, bullseye. Let's do it.
The evil one's about to come. Look, he's coming. Cheer.
Ah!
Cheer, cheer, cheer. Wait. Cheer.
Okay.
Cheer. Ding.
Okay. Go.
Ding.
Yeah. You will die. Yeah. Get you little shit. Yeah. There's a machine. Close him up. Underneath lock.
about the ship?
Get that.
Here.
Let's lock this. Hey, come on. Let's lock this forever. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's all locked. And now we're gonna get this little monkey.
That's it. And let's go back into to the lab. Let's ride this ship.
You ride it. Give me the camera. There we go. And then put it over here. Okay, I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see it.